I have something I want to get off my chest, and it's like a few things. First off, it's like the whole beauty community. I'm tired of the same people, if that makes sense. And I know other people are too. Like, I feel like the big name beauty gurus, YouTubers, influencers, I feel like they're at a point where they don't need these brands anymore and they just like put out whatever, and I feel like they're like ungrateful towards it, and I'm tired of seeing them. It's like brands need to like look at other talent, and I know brands stick with them because they know they're going to influence, everyone to buy the products. But I wonder what will happen if one brand chose a unknown influencer or a up and coming YouTuber, beauty blogger and stuff, and they collab with them. I wonder how would the sales work, because people are going to buy from them regardless because they're already established, as a great brand. And like, I feel like that YouTuber, that influencer, that beauty blogger, will be so honored and grateful for it. And then like all this stuff happening with like Laura Lee and Manny and all them, it's tiring. I'm tired of seeing on my timeline. I'm tired of Jacqueline Hill. I'm tired of her. Like, I'm just fed up with her at this point. Um, I'm tired of James Charles. I hate his voice, but that's not why I'm tired of him. I just feel like he sees all of the attention that Laura, Manny, and Marlena from Makeup Geek, that they're getting attention. I feel like he's like, hey, I'm here. I want to be in some drama, And I feel like that's what he wants to be included in the drama. And like no one's paying attention to him that much, but he's like crying out for attention. I'm tired of him. I like Britman, but I don't like that that Nikita Dragon is like always with him. Well, I don't know if they're always together. I don't know. But it just seems like now that she's not with Manny and them, she like, she's now leeching on to Bretman. I've always liked Patrick Starr. Like there has never been a moment to where I was like, huh, I'm tired of Patrick. I've been watching Patrick for a really, really, really long time now. And he's just the only one that I really like watching out of like all of them. Everyone else is just annoying and tiring to look at. And then that gets me on to there's this girl, she keep popping up on my YouTube. Like, I don't know why YouTube keeps recommending me to watch her, but her name is Tila Taylor, and I've always seen her. She always popped up on my YouTube, but and I always said she looked familiar. It's like I seen her somewhere, but I couldn't pinpoint where I saw her from until I searched her name and stuff, and I realized she was on a Disney show or Nickelodeon, I think Disney, and I'm like, oh, that's where I know her from. But I have watched a couple of her videos because, like I said, it keeps popping up on my YouTube, so I'll go and see like, okay, what's she talking about. I watched a couple of her videos and she seems genuine. It seems like she'll be a good friend, but I'm kind of iffy about her because she's fakeness. It's like this fakeness I see in her. And I read her comments on her videos and it's all like the same. Like she's trying to be white. And it's nothing wrong with you having like a preference. Like you like dating white guys, okay? That's your preference. But then it was all this talk about her hair, how she's claiming that this weave that she's getting there or extensions that she's getting is her hair, and she's claiming that her parents are German when they're not. They're both black. You can have German in you, but it's the fact that and there's nothing wrong with the way she talks either, because she grew up on TV and stuff. I'm pretty sure she's been around a lot of white people, so you know, some people just talk that way. But it's the fact that she like lying about the little things, like her hair, saying her hair is real. And I think I watched like a video of hers. I don't even know why I watched it, but it was like her doing her hair before she go to bed, and she was putting all these like oils, and you know, it was just like certain things you don't do, you know, when you have, I don't know. But yeah, she's been getting really annoying. I don't know why YouTube keeps recommending me to watch her videos. I'm tired of makeup trends that I hate and I'm tired of seeing. I'm tired of everyone doing the Ninja Turtle eyebrows. I feel like if you are a makeup artist, you should not be doing that. It's just giving you extra steps as a makeup artist, as a professional makeup artist, as a celebrity, MUA, wherever you want to call yourself. I feel like doing that Ninja Turtle look is not the way to go. I'm tired of that trend. I'm tired of Instagram eyebrows. And I notice a lot of those people get a lot of attention. Like a lot of people do looks to get attention. And my looks are probably kind of boring to some people, but I don't know. Like, I don't see why. I'm just tired of that trend. I'm tired of halo eyebrows. And halo eyebrows is like when they use like a light concealer, like they would use, they're my shade or darker, and they would use C12 on top of their eyebrows. I'm tired of that look. I'm tired of people playing me. So if you guys haven't noticed, I do have my own makeup line, Her Cosmetics, and October 18th will make a year since I officially launched. I've given away probably half of my products to people to promote. And I don't even ask for much. Like, really, I just ask, follow my social media and promote. Like, don't just do one look and say, oh, okay, I promote it, I'm done. I got scammed by people when I sent them products that claim they didn't get them when it shows delivered, or claim that the post office is hiding their package. Like, and I ask for feedback. If you use the product and you don't like it, okay, talk to me, email me, you know, message me, let me know so I can work on it. And it's like they just take advantage because I'm a small brand, and they've figured, oh, I don't care, I just want a new product. So it's a lot of people that I don't trust. I miss the old YouTube. I grew up, I started watching YouTube in like 2010. Then I like redid a channel. I made another YouTube channel in 2011, and then that's when I like started uploading. And I guess I'm kind of like disappointed in myself with my YouTube because like I've been doing videos for a long time now. So I was making like my videos were crappy. Like back in 2011, they were like really crappy. I was shooting from my laptop. And then like in 2014, so 14 or 15 was when I got my Canon camera. I was so excited because I'm like, yes, I'm really about to record. I did me a DIY ring light, and that's when I started like really uploading and, you know, like doing my editing and stuff. And I barely made 1,000 subscribers. So I'm like, what am I doing wrong? And then they're like, you can't even reach out to people because they see you as competition when it's really enough for everyone. But even I ask myself to this day, like, what am I doing wrong? Like, am I doing the wrong tags? I haven't thought about putting YouTuber names in my tags, but I looked it up and they say you can get flagged and my channel's in good standing. And it's something with the algorithms because, you know, a few years ago I was getting some good views. I would consider them good views, but I was getting, you know, some decent views on my videos. But now it's like I can look right now, one of my videos will have only like 10 views, if even. So I'm like, you can't even reach out to people because they see you as competition and no one wants to help. Like, it's people that created their YouTube less than a year ago and they're already at 100,000 subscribers. I'm like, what's wrong with me? Like, they say be yourself. Yeah, I'm kind of like quiet and stuff, but my my content is good, you know. I'm a beginner can learn from me. Like, I don't know. I thought about like maybe it's just this channel. Maybe I should make like a new YouTube, like starting over fresh and stuff. But I don't know. Some people tell me, no, just keep going, just keep posting. I'm gonna keep posting and stuff, but 12 views, 25, 16, 37, 13, 11. And I think people just like drama. But I'm not a drama person, so like I don't be all in that. I don't be all in that drama. And only time like beauty with the beauty drama and stuff, people like when I look, when I go on YouTube and I see, oh, new drama, I just click on it just to like catch up on what's going on, in their world. And then what is up with all these YouTubers buying these big ass houses and it's just them? It's like everyone's getting on, it's the trend to buy a big house. Like everyone is just on to these trends and it's really annoying. Like I'm seeing a lot of YouTubers do mukbangs now. Like before, you know, the real mukbang people, and then I was like the beauty world is getting into mukbangs. I don't know. I guess that's all I have to say. I was just recording this look and I just have some stuff I wanted to talk about. And I'm not hating on anyone or anything. I'm just basically just saying what's on my mind. Um, Apparently I need to get back on my Twitter. And with this whole Marlena makeup geek thing, I really feel sorry for her because back then, with the OG of YouTubes and stuff, um, makeup geek was the shit and still is the shit. And even though I haven't purchased like in a long time, actually haven't purchased makeup in a long time. Like the NYX foundation that I just got was like my first makeup purchase in probably months, honestly. Um I can't even remember the last other makeup item that I purchased. And that's just because I'm trying to get my own makeup, you know, my own makeup line off the ground instead of putting money in others people pockets that already have it. So that's just where my head is. But I really wanted to try a new foundation because I've just been using like whatever. But yeah, I still use the Makeup Geek eyeshadows that I have and the pigments that I have. And I love my Coastal Scents palette. Um, but yeah, I feel it's wrong. A lot of people are like coming down on her because she spoke her truth and stuff. And even as a small brand, I thought 60,000, that's a lot. And I thought I'm getting quoted $800 for one Instagram post. I'm like, that is too much. Like, I don't even have $800. Like, it's not like I'm getting sales every day. But I thought that was pricey and I ignored them. Like, I'm not about to pay you $800 just to make one post on Instagram. Like, and I understand that's people jobs and stuff, but too rich for my blood. And another thing I want to talk about, I just want to see new people, period. And I think brands need to start looking at that instead of folk there. I feel like people are influenced on influencers way too much, and I understand that's their job, because they're there to influence the consumer. They're there to influence you to buy this product, why you should buy this product. But a lot of people ain't genuine, and a lot of people don't tell the truth. But I think brands need to pay attention to the little person, that's going to really use their product. Because that's another thing I want to say. I want to talk about these brands send influencers so much product, and I'm pretty sure they don't even touch the products, or they use it once and be like, because I don't even have a big collection. But like today I looked through my palette drawer and I seen that I had the Lorac palette. I picked that up, said, what can I use out of here? And that's when I seen the green, you know. But if they send the brands to truthfully small influencers, you know, they will get the most use out of product and they will get their honest opinion on product. That's just what I have to say. I'm not even sure if I will upload this video. I'm just ranting. I feel like I should upload it though, but who knows? I don't know. So, or if you guys want to see more, you know, little rant videos like this, then if I upload this, then let me know down in the comments. And then make sure you are subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can see every time I upload a video. I love getting comments. So I've had this foundation on for when did I start my makeup? Oh wow. I think I started this makeup around 11 or 12. So it's been about 5 hours because it's about to be 6 o'clock. And I'm getting oily right here. And this powder, I'm using the Fenty Universal powder. So I'm getting shiny right there. I've been like really feeling my makeup looks that I did like yesterday. So I'm on a road with recording. I recorded yesterday and I recorded today. And I'm gonna record tomorrow. But this is the makeup look that I did. And yeah, that's my video. Bye guys.